The Rock, and racing big time Bonjing draws for your lead, moving a party outside the of Jade, ravishing Rapids running by the rail, moving up Golden Majestic. There goes to a Mr. Islander on the outside. There was a spill. As they pass the last 800, we have entry number 4, D of Jade in command, moving up Golden Majestic, then running in third by the rail, Mr. Or rather, that's big time Bonjing. As they head towards the last 450, D of Jade still in command, is sneaking in down on the inside. Is entry number 2, Golden Majestic. Jackie JG Tintel lit left unseated on Words of Joy as they turn for home. Now we have the top favorite, and this one is Golden Majestic in command by about 2 lengths. Buenas Hope is on the outside, leveling up. Buenas Hope moves up to take the lead. Ravishing Rapi is on the other outside, giving the final burst of energy. And finally, Ravishing Rapi close with Buenas Hope. Then comes to a Mr. Islander, big time Bonjing, and close between 9A Federal Court and number 8 Sheila Princess.